Here's some more office ergonomic tips and tricks. So when you're sitting at your desk and you want to get some spinal release going, take the 2 black balls and you can just put them right behind you like this. So here I am on my sit bones. Nice, and I've got my thighs open. I'm going to get these wakers into a comfortable spot. So I have my hip, my knee to my ankle. These balls are touching side by side. You got to have a back to your chair for this to work, obviously. And I can just sit like this, and it helps me to really sit straight up. So this is where the base of my spine is down here, where the very base where the tailbone comes together. And I have the ball on either side there. And I can lean back. And then when I want, I can even bring my shoulders snug to the chair and do this to get a little bit of opening this way as well. Now I can just work them slowly up the back like so. I'm doing it fast, but you can take all the time you want in each spot. You might find a particular spot that feels really good. Stay there for 10 minutes if you want. I'm still on my pelvic bones and it feels really great. Here I am typing away. I can put it, this one's particularly delicious. It's right between the hips and the ribs. The top of that pelvis is what I'm calling the hips and the lower rib cage, and you can just, it just really helps you maintain that posture. It gives you something to connect the front of the body to the back of the body, here where the balls are. I'm going to take it further up the ribs. I can lift. I'm going to take it to the beginning between my shoulder blades. And I'm going to keep going up. Pull my hair out of the way. And obviously there's only so far I can go because I run out of chair space. But likewise, you can do the same thing with one ball. So it can be here and you can do that whole thing all the way up. That center one, like so. And that is a really nice way to keep that office ergonomics happening so that you're not crunching over, because what happens during the day is that spine starts to go like this, or we do this kind of stuff. I know I'm guilty of this one, right, or on one side. So this will keep you connected, keep the hips open, keep everything aligned, keep the spine stimulated. And I really hope that this little video helps you. And please like it below and subscribe and share this with someone that might benefit. Most of all, thank you for being here.